what's up? It's me, Bianca Sullivan again, Aussie Bunny, and I'm here today to show you guys how to do a sleek updo bun in short locks. I have really short, thick locks. I've been on my lock journey for around probably less than a year. I would say 9 months. I've been in my lock journey, and sometimes I just want my hair off my shoulders. So this is a good way to show you guys how to put it up in a compact bun. So let's get straight into it, you guys. Yeah, I also forgot to add that I have 50 locks in total, so that's underneath the category of thick locks. And also this tutorial is best suited if you have afro hair as well. So if you have really thick afro hair and you have a problem putting it up in a sleek, you see how I push all that slick up at the back? If you have a problem with that with even afro hair or just thick hair in general, this tutorial is probably the best suited for you. So stick around, we're going to get straight into the tutorial. Okay, I just took my hair out of the bun and I'm going to show you what you need. You need a big long elastic band around this long to tie the back, another lucky band, 2 bobby pins, and 2 little black elastic bands, like so. Alright, let's get straight into it, you guys. So I'm just going to put the front piece of my hair up, so this half. That you can actually use this technique on FAUX fake locks and also on thick braids too. Like if you have a lot of braids on your head, you can use this technique to gather all your hair into a one bun. Sometimes what I do too, I use an edge control and I just retwist the front. With a little toothbrush there and just lay down my edges. But this video is just to show you how I do the bun, so let's not get sidetracked here. So yeah, so just tie it up so with the smaller elastic band. So I'm just going to gather up the front. A little cross at the front with the elastic, and then what I do, I just push the back. Push it up. And then what I do, I make a little cross at the back and just take all the loose locks. This is good for like the shorter locks, just to gather it up at the back, so you don't need so many bobby pins. Secure it so at the front. simple, too easy, guys. So I just tuck in the loose elastics that's there, and then we're going to proceed on to the next step. And what I do, I like to leave like an extra one hanging down here, and I just use like one of these braid, it's like a braiding jewel, an accessory. You can add that to the end of the lock that I have here, just to spice it up a little bit, you know. See, there you go, that's cute. So then what I do with, I have one that's short at the back, so I'm just going to bobby pin that. Okay, and then we're just going to do the bum bit to make it look sleek and nice. I'm going to add one elastic first. My hair's a little bit shorter, so like I need 2 elastics. If your hair's a little bit longer, you only probably need 1. So I'm just going to tuck in the locks at the front to make it look, to give it more like of a bun form. Too cute. And then what I do, I just add another one, just for the extra support. So cute. And then what I do, I have like a few little strays here. I just want to keep that looking nice. So I'm just going to pin that in, just so. Easy peasy, like 1, 2, 3. So this is the final look of the tutorial. You're looking really, really cute. And yeah, so this is a tutorial wrap up for locks, short thick locks, braids, and also fake locks too as well. So that's the wrap for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing this face soon. Bye bye.